After we finish subtract, we will begin to edit door openings with pushing down this part. In order to do this, we will open the group of walls. Then with push tool, I will push this part down. We will find that 2 lines remain, and this will happen in the rest of the parts. We will push down this part, double click with push tool. It will remember how much we went down, and it's equal in all parts. Thus we have finished these parts. We will use eraser tool to erase these lines. After we finished the cleaning of the door openings, so openings became clear to us, we exit this group. After we finish the walls, we will make the flooring for the internal spaces. Open the walls group, then select this face from above in this way, so we create faces for internal spaces. We will choose Face Creator plugin from here. Thus, it creates the faces that we will use in flooring. We will select these faces like so. Double click on each face. We also select this face. We won't need this face. We will create a group for all faces. After that, we will make this face a group and delete it. I will select this group, then Ctrl X to cut it. Then exit the walls group and paste the floors group that we made. We will move this group down to the endpoint of walls. Then turn off Plan Lines tag. After that, we will make the terrace floor here. Draw a rectangle here. And we will draw this part. First, we will cut these rectangles, then paste in floors group, and begin while we are inside the flooring group, making the rectangles that will connect the floors each other. This rectangle connect these floors, and here draw these rectangles to connect the floors. After that, depending on the continuous floor, we will erase the line. Mean here we have the room floor continuous to floor of the terrace. So we will erase this line. Here there is no difference between the two floors. Here we will erase this line. And here this line. Here this line. Here this line. Here the bathroom floor is the one inside. So we will erase this line. We will turn on floor plan tag to see where this line is. In order to determine the floor of this part from this point, we will start drawing a line like so. To determine these two steps, then select these lines and Ctrl X, then open flooring group and paste it in place, then move it down to the flooring face. We will find this part separate from this, so select it, then make it group and delete it. This way our floors are clear. We will start making thickness for these floors. Its thickness will be equal to the rise of the step, which is 18.3, the same for the other floors. It's also possible while we are working make each floor of them a group, or we can suffice with this, so when we add the floor material we will add it directly on the top face, so don't need to make it group. In this case I will not make them groups and keep all the floors in one group. We will turn off floor plan tag. Note that the bathroom floor here hasn't been done yet. Like so, we have all the floors done. Now we have two groups, a group of floors and a group for walls. Select it both and move them or make them in a group. Then we move them on the walls like this. Find this point, need to identical this point. In the next lesson, we will see how the stairs we created will be integrated with the floor of the first story and how to do a good connection between stairs and floor of first story.